All right, everybody, breakfast time. I found this at Trader Joe's. I don't know how to pronounce it. Here's how you say it. It's a Turkish flatbread that is filled with 3 cheeses. It takes 5 minutes per side. You have to pan fry it. You can't put it in the oven or you can't microwave it. That's what it says on this box. Here it is. And if anybody knows how to pronounce this, let me know. It looks good. It's filled with 3 cheeses. So let's make some breakfast. So you get three of these flatbreads in that box. So we're just gonna unwrap this and pan fry it 5 minutes each side. See what happens. Hopefully it's good. All right, let's go get some breakfast. All right, the instructions say dry frying pan. Just put it down, just like that. I'm gonna cover it. All right, and it's gonna go 5 minutes per side, so total of 10 minutes. Medium-low heat. I got my timer going, so I'll flip it in 5 minutes. So I just flipped it after 5 minutes, and we're gonna do 5 more minutes and see what it looks like. So I did let it cool down a little bit. It's still a little hot, and I could have gotten it crispier, but you know, 10 minutes is 10 minutes, but you can go as crispy as you like. I'm thinking when I make my next one, I have 2 more, I'll probably go crispier and maybe a little higher heat. So this is what this one came out to be. It's kind of like Turkish quesadilla, you know? You got 3 cheeses in there, so let's go. It's delicious. I'm assuming you could put some jam on this. It would go very well with it. You can dress this up in a lot of ways. But as a snack, just like this, it's really good. It's great. The cheeses inside are very tasty. A little salty. Beautiful. Really good. Just 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. I'm going to go finish this. That's all I got for you. See you guys in the next one. Bye.